A very good morning to all of you students. Today we are going to start the new topic of our writing skill. That is not new to you actually. This is the format of notice writing. Students, notice writing is a very important part of your writing skill, and you have already learned the skill of notice writing in your previous classes also. But today I am going to teach you the notice writing in a new and latest way. First of all, it is very important to know what is the notice and why we use this kind of writing skill in our daily use. Notice, it's a very important form of the written communication used by individuals and organizations to convey information about functions, events, occasions, or announce something that has happened or is about to be happen. Students, we use the writing skill of notice for many purposes, such as a competition, any kind of event, any kind of lost and found, and many other forms of the short form of in the short form of notice. We have to mention the very minimum details in minimum words about the event, about the competition, about the activity which is now going to take place in a particular center, organization, office, institution, schools, etc. Student, I have already mentioned the format of the notice writing here. So according to the format, first of all you have to mention the name of the organization or institution. If you are writing the notice for the purpose of school event, competition, sports competition, any other kind of exhibition, etc., you have to mention the name of the school here. Then the word notice must be in capital letters. Here at the left side you will mention the date. The students, the right format to write down the date, actually you will mention the date in the manner of like this. First of all you have to mention, suppose today we have learning this in 22nd of October, you will mention it right here like this, 22nd October 2020. Why? Some student mention the number of the month here like this, 22nd, then 10, and then 2020. No, this is wrong. This is not the right way to mention the date here. You have to mention the date like this. First of all, the date and the month and spellings, and then the year. After this you will mention the title and headline. Title and headline, that is regarding to your topic of notice. Suppose there is a competition on the occasion of some like Teachers Day, the Children's Day, Independence Day, and many more. You have to mention the topic like this, title. Then the main body of the letter. Main body of the letter, that's what kind of competition is going to take place. That is when, why, where, and how. You have to very careful about the word limits. The word limits for your notice writing, just 50 words. You have to write down your notice in the limits of 50 words. It is very important to write down the particular thing about it. When, suppose there is a competition that belongs to the Teachers Day, so when it would be take place, it will you must be very careful about the dates that the Teacher Day is usually we celebrate on 5th of September. So the date of the occasion must be according to that. When, why we are celebrating on the occasion of Teachers Day, where, school auditorium, school hall, and how it means to say what kind of competition it will be take part. And then after completing your main body of the notice, the full name and designation of issuing authority. The authority who is issuing the particular notice should be mentioned here. Student, it is a very short form of information, but you have to be very careful about any particular things you are mentioning in your notice, such as target. Target, it means to say that I have mentioned already why, when, where, and how. That is the main target of your notice writing, what is about its details and about the event, everything. Your the language must be very lucid and clear. Very careful about every particular word you are using inside it. And one more important thing about the notice, that the tense you are using here must be present or future. Only present and future tense must be used in your notice writing skill. Students, we apply these kind of notice writing usually. First of all, your notice must be put in a box. That is very important. Your notice must be put in a particular format, that is a particular box. All the notice must be in case of a particular box. And then second one thing I have told you, the word limit, the format, name of the institution, the date, heading, and the content and the designation, everything must be. And we can use this kind of the notice for the meeting purposes like competition, tour, celebration, sports event, cultural events, lost and found, seminars, and appeal and warning, change of name, residence, companies, etc. So it is very important to learn these kind of format for the particular institution, organization, and the school, etc. One more important thing, that a notice should or must include some value points. You must include only the value point inside your notice, nothing else. Points, that necessary details in order to make it precise and effective. You must be use only the effective and necessary words to mention in your notice have regarding the information or details about the event or the competition or whatever you want to be mentioned here inside that. It must be very important and precisely. You should not use extra words. You must be very careful about the word limit also, because you know that for your perfect format you get the perfect marks. Students, we have learned the format of notice writing today. Tomorrow I will teach you one of the example of notice writing through this video. Goodbye and thank you.